National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for east central Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sterling, or 12 miles east of Scranton, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lehigh, Angels, and Gouldsboro around 7:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.